Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to METH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Buki. And if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Okay? If you don't mind, you can do well to pause the video, attend the question, and come back to this what question or this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share. Alright, so let's look at the question. The question says make Q the subject of the word formula if P is equal to M divided by 5 in bracket X plus Q plus 1. So how do we solve this? Our solution, first of all, I want to arrange this in an easy word format. So I can say P divided by 1, which still means P. So M, remember, is multiplying the bracket, so X plus Q. Okay, I can put over 1 here, so 5 times 1 means what? 5 plus, I can write this 1 over 1. All right, so this is an easy expression of what we have. So with this, I can be able to now solve further. Now, there are two ways we can solve this. One way is to find the LCM of what? 1, 5, and 1. 5 and 1, which is what? 5. Okay, that's the first step. And we use this LCM to multiply through what? The what expression. Okay, let's multiply. So 5 is going to times this. So I have 5 times P over 1, which is equal to 5 with times all this. So 5 times what? M into X plus Q. All right, over what? 5. And 5 with times this. So plus 5 times 1 over what? 1. So this is just one way to do this. All right. Now, some other way is we can as well what? Remember, we have that P is equals to 5, okay, rather M into what? X plus what? Q divided by 5 plus what? 1 over 1. Now, the second way we can do this is we cross multiply. So this will times all this, and this will times all this, okay, which is going to give us P is equals to what? All right, so 1 times all this is to M into what? X plus Q. 5 into this is also plus what? 5 divided by what? 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, so this is some other way we can be able to do it, solving this part as what? A fraction. All right, now from this point, okay, I can decide to bring over 1 here, and we can now see that the LCM of 1 and 5 is still 5, right? So I can multiply both sides by 5. Okay, so you have this expression or this expression to work. But let's work with this expression, because if we work on this, we're still going to arrive at this. Okay, so this is going to cancel this, is 1, 1. So we are left with 5 times P, like we have 5 times P here. So 5 times P here is going to give us what? 5P. So I have 5P, which is equals to, now here 5 is going to cancel 5. So we are left with M multiplying this. So I have M multiplying X plus what? Q. And 5 times 1 is also what? Plus what? 5. Alright. So let's also check. 5 times P is 5P. Okay. 5 has cancelled 5. So M multiply this plus 5. So both expressions are giving us what? The same what? Expression, which is this. So remember, we are making Q subjects. So I want to simplify this in such a way that Q is left on one side. So the next thing is that I want to subtract this 5. So I'm going to have 5P minus 5 is equals, here I can open bracket M times X. So M times X multiply M times what? Plus M times what? Q. So I have plus 5 Remember, I subtracted 5 here, so I'm going to subtract 5 here. Okay, so let's see what that gives us. So this is 0 plus all this. So I have mx plus mq, okay, plus 0, which is still all this, is equals to what? I have 5p minus what? 5. All right. So from that, we are very close to our answer. Now let's see what we can do here. I think we can factor out what? We can factor out, or we can take this to this other side. Okay. So I have my mx plus mq is equals to 5p minus 5. So I'm going to remove mx. So I'm also going to remove mx here. So this is what 0 plus what mq is equals to, I can write this as 5p, okay, minus mx first, and what? Minus 5. All right. Now from this, 0 plus this is to mq is equals to 5p minus mx minus 5. And the reason of writing mx close to this, so that the alphabets can be closer, then the number can be alone. This number is without alphabets, but this 5 has an alphabet, and mx is also an alphabet. So when you're solving change of subject, you want to see that there is what? A good arrangement of, alphabets and numbers separate. All right, so from this, so how do we make q subject? I'm going to divide this by n. I'm also going to divide all this by n. So these will cancel out. This is 1, 1. So we are left with q is equals to what? So I have 5p minus mx minus 5 divided by n. So this gives us the solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, share this video to somebody, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. You take care. Bye.